Hello everybody, thank you for watching my channel and thank you for visiting my channel in the evening. And today I have update on several news that happened today and last day regarding a Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and some kind of sell-off that happened yesterday. So I have several news, and let's start from the first one. The possibly you heard about this breaking news that happened yesterday. And the first news, Bitcoins breaks uh, below 50k as cryptocurrency sell-off continues. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday, Bitcoin for the first time in last few weeks, I think in the last 4 weeks, reached a level of 48,000. And there were several reasons for this, but anyway, such a deep decrease for Bitcoin happened unexpectedly for many people. And of course, as a retail investor, I'm trying to understand what is going on because I'm investing my money and want to be aware why it dropped significantly. And the one more problem that happened that I will cover today, all other alternative cryptocurrencies as Dogecoin or Binance Coin and some others drop as well. The only one coin that didn't drop so much was Ethereum. So let's talk why it happened, what forces had the most influence on such a significant drop. So I have a just before I go in deeper to the reasons why there was a drop. Let me tell you that before investing into any cryptocurrency, of course, if it's not a gambling just for you, you have to understand what deep forces influence pump and dump of this cryptocurrency, why big institutional investors make purchases of a big portion of cryptocurrency, and will help you to make right decisions. So the first reason that I found and that had such a great influence on the market yesterday was a expectation that President Biden, could increase a capital gain tax. You may ask, what happened? So Bloomberg earlier reported that the president was mulling doubling the capital tax on the wealthiest Americans to almost 40% from current 20. That's a very serious increase. And what we see from this news, that most notable people who will pay more will be everyone who has about 1 million of income every year. And based on this news, a lot of big a lot of big whales, if I can say this, they started to sell in some way because they're expecting that if this bill will be accepted, it means that in 2022 they have to pay 40% of tax. And this proposition that is still not accepted by Republicans. It's not a law; it's just expectation that it could be done. So it could increase the current rate to 43%, and that's why a lot of people expecting that their Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, a lot of other cryptocurrencies will be taxable next year, and it means that market just leaving in some way their wallets. So that was the main source of fares yesterday. And as I said, the president expected to release the proposal next week as a part of the tax increase to fund social spending in the forthcoming American Families Plan. So basically, he's trying to cover in some way a budget deficit that that is there that happened after a lot of stimulus checks were printed, a lot of money, about $3 trillion were sent to people, to different entities, to companies through PPP loans. And that's why yesterday we saw some kind of drop on the market. But we are talking right now. We are coming closer. Why why Dogecoin, excuse me, dropped yesterday as well? So there was one more reason for this. Look at this chart. So you see a lot of people. Let's say there are distribution of different Dogecoin wallets, and this distribution consists of someone who has, let's say, from 10 billion to 100 billion Dogecoins. There is one entity or maybe one person, and 12 people has about 1 billion to 10 billion, and so on. But I mean, retail investors, we are somewhere there, and the big whales there in the bottom of this pyramid. So if someone is selling a lot, it means that the price of the Dogecoin will be going down. And there is a rumor on a Reddit community that there are some guys who is selling about 1 million Dogecoins every 15 minutes. And he's been doing it since, a kind of guy, nobody knows who is it. He's been doing it since April 16th, and its current rate, it will take like 118 hours or 5 days to liquidate his position. So his limit price is like this, 32 cents. But I checked maybe a few hours ago, and Dogecoin price, let's check together, was 24 cents. So it means like this guy or someone else just pushing the price down. And these two news, like Biden and his new tax law plus some kind of sell-off, made a significant push onto the Dogecoin, and that's why we see such a significant drop from 32 cents to almost 70 cents in the morning. And you may ask, what else could have some influence on Dogecoin, but from positive point of view? I also found some interesting news, and the biggest one, so let me show you. The biggest one that has a positive impact is that potentially, it's just a rumor, Amazon and Jeff Bezos could be a new supporter, a new backer of Dogecoin. So it's just, right at this moment, it's a rumor. And let me check it with you. So Dogecoin could skyrocket to a record price of $1 in less than 24 hours if meme cryptocurrency has the backing of Amazon.com. So potentially, if Amazon in some way, or Jeff Bezos write a tweet or says that he's supporting I don't know, this currency, the influence, I mean the impact of his tweet could be enormous. So we see that it's at this moment it's just a rumor. And the source of this news, I always trying to find a reliable source. It's from Daily Express. We can check this. I wouldn't say that it's like a very serious source of information. It's more looks like a not reliable business source. But anyway, many people are driving by rumors, so please be very careful. But there is a rumor, and many people expecting, many Dogecoin fans expecting that if it happens, if it happens, the influence on the Dogecoin could be very significant. But what is not a rumor? There is a esport technologies company that you know very well. They have a lot of famous games, and they told that they're accepting 30 different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So at this moment, it's official news, and their CEO Aaron Speech said we want our customers to have a fun on our platform, and our goal is to provide them with the best experience, empowering them to wager on all available markets and events. And our platform brings together two of the fast-growing markets, cryptocurrency and esports. And that's why they want to accept Dogecoin. They potentially will start to accept very soon. And I would say it's a good news for Dogecoin fans, because many